Hey guys, welcome to Recipe Time. Today we're going to be making chocolate covered pretzels. So I've actually already done these. My video messed up when I was making them, so they're already made. But I wanted to share this with you right now because I think this makes a really good holiday kind of snack, appetizer, dessert, because you can really customize it to whatever event you're having. So for Christmas or the holidays, you can add like peppermint crumbles or crushed up peppermint. You can add holiday themed sprinkles like snowflakes or just green and red. Or you can always make them really fancy and do, like I did these in white chocolate, and then you could drizzle dark chocolate or milk chocolate on the top. But this is a really fun activity that kids can help you with. You can dip it in the chocolate and then have them sprinkle all the stuff on it. I didn't have all the holiday stuff yet because I'm doing this a little bit early, but I just did sprinkles, I did chocolate chips, I did toffee bits, and you could even mix some of those up together and I bet they would taste great. But I love this because it's really easy to make, and then you can make it ahead of time too, which is really nice. And you can put them in the fridge and just store them for a little bit until you need them. This is something I do a lot for Harry Potter parties, for Wizard Wand snacks. But again, you can really customize it to whatever holiday or event you're having and just customize what color sprinkles or what toppings you put on there. And you could even do, especially for Christmas and the holidays coming up, you could do a dark chocolate or a milk chocolate covering and then do crushed up peppermint on top, and it would almost be like candy canes and hot chocolate or a peppermint mocha or something like that. So I hope you guys enjoy making these for your holidays.